Imagine your living room for a second. Most of the technology we own is designed to be functional. But let's be honest, it is usually quite ugly. We have all spent hours trying to hide cables, tucking black plastic boxes into cabinets, and hoping our sound system does not ruin the vibe of our home. But today, we are looking at a piece of equipment that demands to be seen. In fact, it is designed to be the most beautiful thing in the room. Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech. Today, we are not just looking at another soundbar. We are looking at a Premiere. The Bang & Olufsen Beosound Premiere. This is a sculptural masterpiece crafted from solid aluminium and oak that claims to sculpt sound around you with a level of fidelity that has not been heard in a single unit system before. B&O says this is spatial, seen differently. If you have been looking for the ultimate intersection of high-end interior design and world-class cinema audio, you might have just found it. The Beosound Premiere is the latest statement piece from Bang & Olufsen. For nearly a century, this Danish brand has been obsessed with the marriage of form and function. And the Premiere is the culmination of that history. But at its price point, it is not just competing with other soundbars. It is competing with high-end component systems. What makes this unit special is its wide stage technology. It is designed to transport you into the heart of your favorite entertainment, whether that is a blockbuster film or a high-fidelity jazz recording. It promises to deliver audio exactly as the directors and mixing engineers intended, using a built-in Dolby Atmos 7.1 decoder. In this video, we are going to break down why this is more than just a speaker, how it uses light to communicate, and whether it truly delivers the 3D immersion it promises. Let's start with the sound itself, because that is where the Beosound Premiere truly earns its name. The core of this experience is the patent-pending wide stage technology. Most soundbars try to create a surround effect by simply bouncing sound off your walls. B&O takes it a step further by introducing spatial enhancement. Inside the app, you have a fifth variable in your sound settings that allows you to manually widen and lift the sound stage. When you turn this up, the audio does not just feel wider, it feels taller. It is as if the ceiling of your room has disappeared, replaced by a massive, airy auditorium. This is faithful spatial sound, where every note and every silence is placed exactly where it was meant to be. But you cannot talk about Bang & Olufsen without talking about the art of aluminium. Beosound Premiere is built at Factory 5 in Struer, Denmark. The precision-formed components are meticulously sculpted from pure aluminium. It is cold to the touch, heavy, and incredibly refined. And then there is the optional 3D wood cover. This is not a veneer. It is carved from a single piece of oak and then precision milled. Because it is real wood, every single unit is unique. No two grain patterns are the same. It brings a warmth and a dimension to the design that makes it feel less like a gadget and more like a piece of heirloom furniture. Then there is the interaction, which B&O calls the language of light. Most tech uses harsh blue LEDs, or tiny screens to tell you what is happening. The Premiere uses 90 responsive LEDs hidden inside the body. They emit this ethereal soft glow that follows your movements. As you adjust the volume or change your settings, the light flows across the interface with an intuitive grace. It is the invisible made visible. It makes every interaction feel like a moment of magic, rather than a technical chore. Finally, let's talk about the future. One of the biggest problems with high-end tech is obsolescence. You spend thousands of dollars, and 3 years later, it is out of date. B&O has solved this by making the Beosound Premiere cradle-to-cradle certified bronze. This means it is literally designed to be updated over time, not replaced. The internal modules can be serviced and swapped as technology evolves. Plus, with Beolink Surround, you can start with just the soundbar today and add up to 4 more speakers later. The built-in decoder will automatically adapt, sending more power and specific channels to your new speakers as you grow your system. It is an investment that actually lasts. To really understand what this sounds like, you have to imagine the setup process. When you first get the Beosound Premiere, you use the Bang & Olufsen app to set your listening position. This is crucial. You tell the soundbar exactly where you usually sit on your sofa. Imagine you are sitting down to watch a film like Top Gun Maverick. In a standard setup, the jet engines might drown out the dialogue, or the sound might feel trapped inside the TV. But with the Beosound Premiere's listening position calibration, The wide-stage technology focuses the audio specifically on your seat. As the jets fly overhead, the Atmos 7.1 4 decoder places that sound directly above you, while the dialogue remains perfectly centered and crystal clear. Even if you are just listening to music while cooking, the room-filling soundstage ensures that the audio does not lose its center as you move around the space. If you have an LG TV, the integration is even smoother, as you can control the entire experience with the Beosound 1, making it a seamless part of your daily life. It is designed to be the centerpiece of a home where quality is the priority, solving the problem of cluttered living rooms while delivering world-class performance. So, let's weigh it up. On the pros side, you have the absolute best build quality in the industry. The use of pure aluminum and hand-finished oak is unrivaled. The spatial audio performance is incredibly wide and airy for a single unit, and the ability to expand the system over time makes it a much smarter long-term purchase than a standard soundbar. Plus, the 5-year warranty when you sign up for BeoCare is a massive confidence booster. On the con side, the most obvious hurdle is the price. This is a luxury product, and it is priced as one. It is an investment in both art and audio. Secondly, because it is made of such high-end materials, it is quite heavy and requires a very sturdy mounting solution or a dedicated piece of furniture. Lastly, while it works with any TV, you really get the full magic when you are within the B&O ecosystem, using their app and potentially their speakers, which adds to the total cost of ownership. The Bang & Olufsen Beosound Premiere is a rare piece of technology that manages to be both high-tech and high art. It is designed for the person who refuses to compromise, someone who wants the most immersive cinema experience possible, but also cares deeply about the aesthetic of their home. It is a soundbar that you do not want to hide. You want to show it off. If you're looking for a sound system that grows with you, lasts for a decade, and sounds as good as it looks, the Beosound Premiere is in a league of its own. But I want to hear from you. Does the design justify the premium for you? Or do you prefer a more traditional hidden speaker setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to HiFi AV Tech for more honest, high-end audio reviews. I have included links in the description where you can find the full specs and current availability. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.